Hey World Changers, Miss McCarthy here with your Florida Fast Math freebie of the week. I've created this weekly math video series to help you feel calm and confident when it's time to throw down your best
on Florida's Fast Math assessment.
Each week we will practice a specific question type. Now these videos, they're short, they're sweet, and they are to the point. And at the end of this video, if you know that you need more help with a specific skill, I will point you in the right direction for where you can go at mccarthymathacademy.com. The focus for this week is, drum roll, multiple choice. All right, everybody, let's not waste any more time. Let's get to it, and let me teach you. All right, fourth grade, here is your problem this week. So go ahead and pause the video and solve this one on your own. And then when you're ready, come on back and we will check your work. Welcome back, fourth grade. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at this one. So this is a multiple choice question. It says that Taylor scoops 1/4, let's circle that, 1/4, which can be written as a fraction just like this, 1/4 of a bag of flour into a bowl. If the bag contains 10 cups of flour, how much flour does she scoop into the bowl? Okay, so there's a bag with 10 cups of flour. Okay, so if I were to imagine this, here's a bag with 10 cups of flour. So I'm going to make these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cups of flour. She scoops 1/4 of the flour into a bowl. So here's a bowl right here. We're taking 1/4 of the flour in here and scooping it into the bowl. 1/4 of the flour is going in there. So really what we're doing here is 1/4 of 10 cups, or 1/4 times 10. Okay, so if we're doing 1/4 times 10, what we can do, I'll zoom in. For each cup, we're technically taking 1/4 of it. So if I split all of these whole cups into fourths, like this, okay, and then I get my little thing right here, and I say, okay, 1/4 here, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 of those cups. Now what I need to do is take all those little fourths and try to see how many I have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that makes 1 whole cup, because if we put those 4 fourths together, that would make 1 whole cup. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. When we add those fourths together, that makes 2 whole cups. So let me mark this down. This would be 1 cup, 2 cups in the green, and then we have 1/4, 2/4 right there. So we have a whole cup that we can make with the ones I've highlighted in yellow, another whole cup, and then 2/4. So that would be 2 and 2/4 cups of flour. So it's not 40 cups. Taylor scoops 40 cups of flour into the bowl. We can eliminate that one. Taylor scoops 6 cups of flour into the bowl. We can eliminate that one. Taylor scoops 9 3/4 cups of flour into the bowl. We can eliminate that one. And the last one says Taylor scoops 2 2/4 cups of flour into the bowl. Go ahead and mark that answer choice. Awesome. So you just select that answer on your computer-based test. And also, if you recognize right away that this was multiplication, you could have done this. 1/4 times 10 is the same thing as 10/4, which equals 4/4 plus 4/4 plus 2/4 if I'm decomposing that fraction, which makes it 1 whole plus 1 whole plus 2/4, or 2 and 2/4. All right, one way using visuals, one way using mathematics to solve. So go ahead and make any notes that you need to make onto your paper, and when you're ready, let's close out this video lesson. Now here's a message for the grown-ups in your life. If you are a teacher, parent, or educational leader looking to support your students with more practice in a safe environment, follow me over to mccarthymathacademy.com for tons of math videos specifically geared towards Florida's best standards. Just know that I would love the opportunity to make math fun, make it click, and make it stick for your students. So make sure that you check out the link somewhere around this video. Before we go, let me remind you, students, that practice is not something we do once we're good. It's the one thing we do that makes us good. If you want to get better, stronger, more confident with something, you have got to put in the practice. That's right. You've got to practice so that way you can improve and become a master of your skills. I believe in you, but the magic really happens when you believe in yourself. With that said, I'll see you next time, World Changers.